Okay guys, and now I'm gonna give the sandwich a try. Oh no. That is crunchy. ASMR. Hey guys, it's me, Becca, and welcome back to my channel. So, with back to school coming, and the only reason I really know that 100% is because I've been in Target, and trust me, they have banners here, and there, and everywhere letting you know that school is coming in. And I mean, thankfully, I have graduated. I mean, I should be taking a college class this year, but like, I don't have to go to grade school anymore. So for all of you that do have to go, my heart goes out to you. So I figured, well, since it's back to school, let me bring a delicious lunch idea. And if it's not, you know, you're watching this long before school or right after, it's a delicious lunch idea. We all have to eat lunch. It's delicious. It's a meal or whatever. I'm gonna make a delicious, wow, I said delicious 20 times, a cucumber and tomato salad, which is so good. And I mean, if I'm eating a vegetable, trust me, because I'm not, I think this might be the only video on my entire channel that has a salad in it. No, I'm pretty sure this is like the healthiest video I've ever made, probably. So yeah, so for all my health nuts out there, this one's for you. And to come with that cucumber tomato salad, I will be making my version of the perfect sandwich. So let's go ahead and get to it. And you know, let's hope this isn't too bad. The sandwich isn't that healthy though, but like, you're eating a vegetable with it, so you'll be fine. But I will not be saying delicious anymore. I refuse. I probably will say delicious again. Or like exciting. Those two. And I'm gonna drink these with a Coke, so it really isn't that healthy. But at least I'm getting like a vegetable in. I'm proud of myself. You should be too. Let's get into the ingredients. Bye. Okay. What you will need to make this summer tomato and cucumber salad is English cucumber. I like to use Ken's Italian dressing with garlic and Asiago cheese. You could go ahead and use any Italian, add a little parm or something to it, but I think this is absolutely the best one. And some grape tomatoes. It is gonna be super easy. Okay, next thing you're gonna do is get about half of your cucumber, and I'm gonna take the wrapping paper off of it. I'm gonna go ahead and get my peeler and peel off the skin. Okay, now that I have a peeled cucumber, I'm going to slice it thinly. Oh, my counters are clean. It's gonna be okay. And then I'm gonna chop them in half. They'll be nice little bite size. Next, I'm gonna grab about a handful of these grape tomatoes. I'm gonna wash them. I don't know why we say that we're washing the food, because really we're just rinsing it, but like, that's what they tell. And then these are really easy. We're just gonna cut them in half. And if you wanna cut them like one more time, you can. Don't cut your finger off though, because they're itty bitty, so it could happen. Luckily, I've never done it, so I mean, if I've never done it, I have high hopes for you. But I mean, I feel like I should leave a viewer beware. Okay, and now I'm gonna make sure to mix everything. And lastly, I'm going to first shake this up. I'm going to put some, and just stir it all up. And voila, you have a delicious tomato and cucumber summer salad. Okay, what you guys will need to make what I consider the perfect sandwich is some sourdough sliced bread, some mayo, mustard, deli dressing. It's just like this thing that I buy at Publix. It's Boar's Head. You know, if it's Boar's Head, it's good. Some mozzarella cheese, some pepperoni, some black pepper cracked turkey breast, some salami, and bada boom, bada bing. Okay guys, so to make what I think is one of the best lunch sandwiches out there, you want to get your favorite bread. Mine is sourdough, and you just want to go ahead and toast it. Since sourdough is a longer bread, you're going to want to toast like both sides. So I do about half the time on one side and half the time on the other, until I get the perfect consistency. Okay, and then I'm just going to flip the other side and get that nice. Ooh, that fell. Alright, now that our bread is nice and toasted and burning me, we're going to want to start with a little bit of mayo. gonna get a knife and spread that out. This is brand new. There we go. I like a lot of things on my sandwich. My next layer shall be a little bit of mustard. I like to use the boar's head mustard. It just has a really good potent taste. Yeah, the acidity of it. Okay, next I'm gonna put a layer of cheese now. I like to go ahead and cut all my meats in half so that they fit the bread. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just a little symmetrical. Next, I'm gonna go in with pepperoni. And this stuff is so delicious. Now, I'm gonna do a few slices of turkey. I'll do about 3. And lastly, I am going to do a nice layer of salami. And to just finish that off, I'm gonna do one last layer of cheese. But before I add the cheese, I'm gonna mix up my Italian sauce. Now before I'm done and I add my last layer of cheese, I'm gonna add a little bit of the deli dressing right on top of there, just for a little flavoring. And then finish it off, one last layer of cheese. Something that I personally like to do is to pop this real quick in the microwave for maybe 10 seconds, just so all the cheese gets melted. So I'm gonna go do that, and then we will taste it. Okay guys, now for the taste test. Pretty much my cheap excuse to eat food. So let's go ahead and give this a try. Honestly, this is like the most delicious way to eat a vegetable. I genuinely love this salad. And I don't like salads at all. I think I love it because I love pickles, and I've been like, that's probably the reason I'm with cucumbers. And tomatoes like are in pizza, so you know, I like a pizza. I probably should stop eating it. I'll try the next thing. Okay guys, and now I'm gonna give the sandwich a try. Oh no. That is crunchy. ASMR. You know what? You guys should let me know down below if you guys would want to watch me like do an eating show. Because I would definitely eat in front of the camera. I mean, I'll do anything to eat, to tell you the truth. I care about like nothing in life but the sandwich right now. Okay guys, so my final thoughts is this is all that's left of the sandwich, because I literally turned the camera off and sat down and ate most of it. So that should tell you something. This is like the best sandwich ever. It's kind of like my take on an Italian sub sandwich, but I kind of switched out for turkey instead, because I really think it adds a better taste. Because ham can get sweet, and I don't know, like the sweetness there, it's not for me. But turkey just adds like that perfectness, and the sourdough being so crunchy. I think it's the best sandwich in the world, and I hope you guys try it at home. And I think that's the best salad in the world. And I think if someone packed that for me to eat at lunch, I might be happy. And I'm not very happy often, especially at school. Okay guys, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and hit that subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. This is probably my favorite video.